Hey you guys, I'm here with another DIY and we're going to be using this gorgeous box that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And isn't it gorgeous? Look at the beautiful colors. It's ready for spring. It's ready for summer. It's ready for a birthday. It's going to be a birthday box that I'll be giving one of my sisters. So let's go ahead and put it together. I'm going to put the lid on and the back because I don't want to leave the lid off and I can't put it at the bottom because of the bowl and I don't want to cut the bowl off so in case she wants to use the box. The first thing I'm adding is this 60% dark chocolate from Lindor, one of my favorite chocolates. I love me a good dark chocolate. I'm going to add the whole bag in there, which is going to take up a lot of the space of this box. But I wanted this box to stay real small and cute. The next thing I'm adding is this Hugs and Kisses Hello Beautiful mascara from the dollar store. I tried it a while back when one of my friends recommended it to me and she sent it to me, Chrissy, hey girl, and I loved it. The next thing I'm adding is this Aveeno, and this is just a lotion, a body lotion. You can use it for your hands, for your feet, any part of your body that is dry. It's really good. I recommend it. Throw it in your bag if you ever need it. It'll just lotion and butter you up. The next thing that I'll be adding to this gorgeous basket is a skincare item. This is a night repair serum and it does have retinol because she is in her early 40s and I thought this would be great for a skincare routine. You add it in the night, a couple drops before you go to bed, and it gives your skin a beautiful boost. And it is very expensive, so let me tell you, hopefully she uses it. I'm sure she will. Just a couple drops is all she needs on her face. And when you wake up, your face will be nice and moisturized. And that is a great gift to give somebody to take care of their skin, which is one of my favorite body parts is my skin. I always love to keep it nice and moisturized. And whenever, healthy, 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 healthy. So I thought that was a great idea. The next thing I'm adding is this little Walmart sign. It just says Hugs and Kisses. And my son painted it for her. And he wanted me to add it to his aunt's gift box. So I said, why not? I'll tell her that he made it. The next thing I'm adding is a face mask. I love a good face mask. These were just $1.99 at Target. And this is a peel off strawberry toning and smoothing face mask. These are great to take care of your skin. You know I love a good face mask. It makes your skin just nice and plump. And the next one I'm adding is this watermelon peel-off mask. And this is just a toning and refreshing. This is great for her skin. She can add a mask before she goes to bed. Add a couple of drops of the serum. Add a couple of lotion to her hands and she'll be ready for the next day to conquer the world. So this basket is already looking great. It has a lot of good stuff. I'm going to go ahead and add this little rose. I thought it was so adorable. I never add floral to a basket. And I decided now is the perfect time since her birthday is in summer. And these beautiful roses that I have a ton of, I'm just going to go ahead and add it in here. I think it'll give it a nice touch. And I think it's going to look gorgeous. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. And go ahead and follow me on Instagram for any other pictures. If you want to tag me, I'll link the link down below. And just say, hey, Susie, I came from YouTube. But look at how gorgeous this box ended up coming out. I thought it was too tiny. But the truth is, it is perfect. It is adorable. It's a great size. And I had to add one more little thing. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add a birthday money holder that I made. And it is gorgeous. Look at the flowers on there. And on the bottom, I just put happy birthday. I thought I would keep it nice and simple. And I'm going to add a little bit of money. So she can go ahead and buy herself something nice for herself since it is her birthday. You know, just buy herself something sweet, something just for her. And I think this little box is made with a lot of love. And let's get ready and wrap it up. It came out adorable. Let me tell you, I thought it was going to be too small, but it's not. Look at it. You have a little bit of skincare, some chocolates, a little bit of money, a little rose. I think anybody would love to get this for their birthday, and I hope she loves it. Now, let's go ahead and grab a pair of scissors. The bag you're going to wrap it up with, I'm going to use the same bags that I always use from the dollar store. And your ribbon, any ribbon of your choice. any color of your choice, whatever matches your basket. It's going to be perfect. And she's going to love it because guess what? You made it for her. And go ahead and grab some tape because you know I love to use tape, especially when I'm putting together these little baskets, just so everything looks really nice and fitted. Grab your basket nice and slow. Look at the back of it. It's gorgeous. She still has the cover in case she wants to use the box and just add like some hair ties in there, some bobby pins, anything you can add to a little box. I think it is gorgeous and she's going to love it. Now, the trick when you're using these bags is to fold it. I use this trick all the time and it works perfect. Grab a little bit of tape and we're going to fold the sides like if you're gift wrapping it. You see how nice it's going to look? Grab your tape, fold the sides and just tuck it in like if you're gift wrapping it with some wrapping paper. And it looks gorgeous already. Take it to the side, add as much tape as you need. Trust me, they're not even gonna look at that. Once they open it, they're gonna throw that bag out and they're not even gonna keep it. They're not gonna care about it. So just go ahead and tuck the sides, grab a little bit of tape and make it look nice. Make it as nice as you can, of course. If you wanna buy smaller bags, you could go ahead and check out Dollar Tree or go ahead and check out Amazon. I think they actually come in smaller, but you're going to have to pay a little more. And these bags are 2 for $1 and you cannot beat that price anywhere. Go ahead and use your tape. Tape it nice and tight. And when you're done, we're going to get ready to do the front. Once you're ready for the front, make sure you have your pair of scissors. I'm just going to lift it a little bit so you can see how I actually make the front. I'm going to go ahead and scrunch it up. Grab your ribbon, make sure you measure it, use any color ribbon. I'm going to use this rose gold. It's actually called Champagne and it's a satin ribbon from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to grab a couple of pieces of it and get started. So you can use pink, you can use white, you can use green. It's optional. Match it up to your basket. Once you have it ready, grab the top of it and you're going to tie it nice and tight. Really tight, as tight as you can. And then once you did that, you're going to make the bow. It's super easy to make a bow. I love making a bow, especially when I'm doing gift baskets. Let the ribbon hang. That is one of my favorite things. To just let the ribbon hang and then just grab your scissors and cut the bottom of it if you need to. If there's no need to cut the bottom, leave it as it is and let's finish it off. Grab the top and we're going to go ahead and cut 1/3 of the top off. Don't get scared. It's just so the top of it won't weigh down the basket. Trust me, it's going to save your basket. It's going to look nice for longer and you don't have to worry about it getting crinkled or nothing. Nothing moves once you cut 1/3 of the top off. That is my favorite tip that I can pass to you. Now we're going to go ahead and fluff it up. Fluff it up. And look at how gorgeous it looks. Anything that you don't like that's just popping out, grab your scissors and cut it or go ahead and move it around. But this basket is done. It's beautiful. It's nice and simple and she's going to love it. That's how simple it is to put a little gorgeous basket for a family member, a friend, a relative, a co-worker, someone who loves you and someone who you love. And trust me, when they get it, they're going to be so happy that they did. I'm so happy I added the flower. It looks so pretty. And yeah, look at how gorgeous it looks. I hope you guys make one. And if you do, go ahead and tag me on the picture on Instagram. I would love to see it. And until next time, bye you guys.